In this lecture, I added rules in admin panel and define new controller, rule controller, and other. Start with close this, and in this. Added rule permission, define it this for access the rule. Okay, and submit this. I defined a new controller and name it in admin rule controller. Okay, open permission controller and copy all this, not this, and copy, destroy, and index, create, and this. Okay, I copy this and middleware this, remove, and this. Okay, and change permission to I define rules, change to rules. Okay, I start of this, show you rules, create rule, and other changes. Rules, define rule, query and name and label, and dollar rules, change dollar rule, and latest paginate and dollar rules, and pass dollar rule. Okay, index method, and we can refresh and rule admin rule index. Open resource view admin and copy permission and paste in, change name to rules. Okay, and rule in I remove this, and in index method change all permissions to rules. Okay, and go up permission to rule, and rule, if refresh. Okay, open this, I minimize this and use this. Rules, create rule, and rule search. Okay, ID, name, label, and we can change or use of this. Change to rule, and change this, and this, and this, and this, and copy this and copy in this. Okay, refresh, create rule user, open this and create rule, and when click create rule, create new permission in role and create. It is work, and create this, and in this we can change to role, in permission create, change to permission. Okay, we can change, we can define role, role create role, and roles store, and name, label, and submit. Okay, refresh and change it. New role, support manager. Okay, and label placeholder change inter label. Okay, and inter label. Copy this and name change to support manager, and if click on submit and this pass to this. For these dollar rules, use dollar rule create data. Alert rules use uppercase rules index. Okay, I submit new rule. Create this. Okay, define new role, for example manage user. Okay, manage all users and submit and create a new. In this change to before change to and edit this role, or we can change before this we can added new permission in this, but change view edit, and after this added this. Okay, in edit I say role and find ID and change this and pass this. Okay, in store method added role and update dollar data roles successfully update, and this. In destroy method just say role and this role successfully deleted. For example, I delete these but not deleted. Refresh, delete this. Role say role successfully deleted but not remove it. Okay, check this, and I use of composer du dump autoload method for optimize autoload, and use PHP artisan optimize clear, and refresh this page and refresh, and refresh this, and rules this. If click on this permission and rules, if click on this index, right click and use inspect method, admin rules id 1 for rules method post rule PHP artisan route list for check route, and rules destroy, and rule to rule id rules and rule id, and this it is okay, and refresh and use delete. Rule successfully but not work. dd dollar roles, refresh dd dollar roles, pass empty array, and we can use of open this, and we can use of dollar open index and opening this and this. I use of dollar for access this ID. Dollar user dollar role role find dollar ID. Okay, and say dollar roles delete. Just pass dollar ID and refresh these and use delete method. Successfully delete, and it is work. And before this, go to edit and edit method and open edit this. Okay, edit change permission to role, dollar role name, copy paste, and in this role in this change to dollar permission and dollar permission, and use in this roles update and role and refresh, and undefined variable role. Open role change to role, update show this and manage users. For example, change to users, and in update method check this, check role, check this, it is okay. Update not change, and edit manage users. Delete dollar role, refresh, and users update dollar role. Why not model binding? Check this for not model binding. It is okay. I remove this to model and role. If refresh, resend, and back, refresh and resend, and check in this I remove this and update this and use of dollar role and refresh. It is work. We can use in this of model binding. Just change to role and dollar role and update this to use of dollar role, and we can access to dollar role and delete and update this. Okay, for example, I copy, it is removed, role, copy manager to, and this, refresh in rule and delete this. It is work. For this use of dollar role and delete this and use of dollar role and successfully update. It is okay. For refresh manage users, for this update it is change to manage users. Okay, it is good. Open the create method. We added in create and access to the permission. I added in view user or view permission and permissions. I copy this and use of this. Okay, copy this or copy this and paste here. Permissions to access the permissions. Okay, it is good, and we access the permissions. I added in a rule store method, a new name permissions. Okay, and say use these required and permissions is array. Okay, I added this. For this I added permissions in $role permission. I use of $role, and we can say $role or roles, and use permission method in roles. Use and copy this, use this. If open a role and permissions method, I say use of since method for added the permission to this $data and permissions. Okay, it is okay. And for test, refresh, added manage, for example, added manage product, manage all product. Okay, just for example, just select this and use update. I added this manage product, manager product, and this. If I click in role, added manage product is and permission role, added this for role ID 4, role ID 4, added 4, 5, 7, 11. Okay, for update method, and I open update and in this. Okay, in edit method, in this I copy this, close create method, and paste this. Okay, paste this name to permission. Just for select, we can use of this method. I use of in array and $permission. Okay, $permission and $role permission. Permission. Okay, change to permission. Plug and select this ID, plug ID to array. Use method to array and close this. Okay, open edit method and refresh this and edit this method. Plug method not find. For test this method, we can use of this in edit method and say return this method. Okay, and if I click, I use of this. For edit we can use $id and root model binding role and $role, but I just use this. Okay, refresh. Plug not defined. We remove this, and for access open edit, and after check this, use or check or this, or pass the empty. Open the manage and see the plug error. Check this. I say refresh and say in array $permission, sorry, in permission get ID. Okay, and $rule permission plug ID to array. If refresh and see plug error, and check this to array, this plug permissions, just return permissions. Okay, it is work, and copy to check in return, and return this. Refresh 4 5 7 12. If permission rule 11. Okay, it is work, and I remove this. Time video is very but video I edit and create all. In edit I say in array, check it. If refresh roles, edit not selected, edit not selected, refresh, sorry, in this checked, and in the we change to our option to new check. It is better of option method. In this I remove this and remove this. Okay, in this I say use input and type change to checkbox, and use our class form check input. Okay, and say value this, and remove this and this. Okay, I say this, and ID we can say permissions, and use name permissions with this. Okay, and for label I use permission this. In this we say just pass the we say we can refresh this and refresh this. Okay, it is good. but I use for select I use of this method on this, and for label we use of this label in this for name. I say this and this. Okay, remove this and refresh. After this label, use br method for see this, and we can use of form and use of class form check label and refresh, and this, and use form class form control and refresh this and form control, and not this. If I use it in form control, it is good work, but permissions use br for this. Okay, this is good work, and we can use of this. Okay, see, we can add it in create method, this to create method for beautiful C, and remove this. Okay, create method, refresh, and it is good. Okay, for check it is work or not, added new manage ticket manager ticket. Just set this submit and manage ticket and refresh. It is set for manager ticket. Create it is work, and edit and update method just change. In our rule I added after this and copy check permission in this, copy this and added this. Okay, and update method we use of $rule, permissions, and use since method or sync method $date use permissions. Okay, I use this and it is okay, and refresh and show tickets and remove, update, and rule is update and see this. Okay, it is work.